Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to import GitHub project into PyCharm. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First, open PyCharm settings, here choose plugins and check that you have Git plugins, Git and GitHub. If you haven't it, check the box next to Git and check the box next to GitHub. After that, go to version control and choose Git. Here you can customize your Git. Next, open GitHub, and here we need to add a GitHub account. Add account, log in via GitHub. We are in browser, and if you authorize to GitHub in your browser, you can connect your PyCharm with GitHub automatically. To do this, press Authorize in GitHub. You have been successfully authorized in GitHub, you can close the page. Return to PyCharm and we see that we have our account. Press OK and next go to VCS menu. Here choose Get from version control. Next choose GitHub. It's a list of your repositories, and you can choose any repository. But if you want to import project that is not in your GitHub account, then choose repository URL and go to GitHub. In GitHub, choose the repository which you want to import in PyCharm, and in repository, choose code and copy the link. Return to PyCharm and paste it here in URL. You can change the folder and click Clone. Then confirm Trust Project and choose where to open this project in this window or in a new window. I choose in a new window and we have imported our project from GitHub. We can commit it, we can push this project, or we can update the project from GitHub. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you next time.